My name is Sarah Wood, and I'm here to do a diabetic comprehensive foot exam on my diabetic patient. The first thing I'm going to do is look at her feet, inspect. I want to make sure that there's no redness, no edema, nothing like that. I want to make sure, it's harder to tell on women, but I want to make sure that she has good hair growth, which means she has good circulation. So I want to look in between the toes, making sure that I don't see any blisters or any signs of infection, yeast, anything like that. I want to inspect the bottom of the feet, and again looking for the same thing, and I don't see anything. It looks good. I'm going to check and make sure she has pulses, because we want to make sure she has good circulation, and she does. Both her DP and PT pulse are good. And I am looking for any deformities, anything that could cause injury, and I don't see anything. Her feet look good. Now I'm going to do a monofilament test, and I want to touch it to her foot until it bends, and I'm going to ask her to close her eyes and tell me that she feels when I touch her. I'm going to touch 3 of her toes on the top of her foot, in the arch, and on the bottom. So let me know when you can feel.
Yes, 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 yes.
Very good. And if she didn't feel it, that might be a sign of neuropathy, and we would want to further investigate that. Now I'm going to use a tuning fork, which what I will do is get it vibrating, make sure that I can feel it, touch it to her foot, ask her to close her eyes, and to tell me when she cannot feel it vibrating anymore. So close your eyes.
Stopped.
Okay, and it stopped. And again, that would let us know if there were any kind of neuropathy going on that we would need to investigate. So I'm going to teach her to do the same thing that we just did. I'm going to send her home with this monofilament so she can have someone do that for her at home. I'm going to teach her to inspect her feet daily. If she had neuropathy, she may not be able to feel any kind of injury or ulcer, and that could lead to infection and a problem. So I'm going to teach her, make sure you look at the bottom of your feet, look in between your toes, and let us know if there's any injury to it so we can get that taken care of. Alright, so I'm going to also check her strength. Can you push against my foot? Good. And up again. Good. Very good. So make sure you wash your feet daily. Make sure that the temperature is not too hot or too cold when you dip your hand in there. Your foot in there. And keep a good moisturizer on the top and the bottom of your foot, but definitely not between the toes. And that completes my foot exam.